I have one already.
Jeez. Yeah.
Oh man. Ooh, vehicles. Let's do an Apache. Ding, tick, dang, tick, tick,
For
dang.
me. Oh, the Apache has a missile launcher in this one. Forgot. Yeah, this is when helos are super lethal.
Got a weird feeling about that area. Looks dangerous.
Wow. There's a helo below us.
No, there's not.
Roger that.
These are. Whoa, what the fuck?
Wow.
What'd you kill?
A recon. I
What the
said I have a missile on this one.
A mickle.
You're gonna get tired of us though. Very quickly. Can I target this? No.
How come we haven't captured B1?
I don't know.
Golly, boy!
AI though.
Vehicle. Golly, boy!
Yeah, I'm telling you, this is when helos were like super deadly. That's why and it's why they put jets, if I remember correctly, because they didn't have them in back in P2.
Jet keeps like hovering over their vehicle spawn. The only thing is that my guided rocket. Oh, this fucking idiot!
What happened?
The jet crashed into us. Our friendly jet.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna say it was an accident and
Yeah,
leave it at that.
sure. Sure. Let's
Or I lose my ship.
Yeah, no, I know. I get it.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know why Battlefield 3 gets so much hate.
Does it? I
Yeah,
didn't
because
know that.
usually everybody always says Battlefield 4 or
I mean, honestly, I've never played that one, so I wouldn't know.
yeah, it's dead. That's another thing. I hate, like for example, Battlefield 3, really great game, right? Why is it dead? If the next games suck, why is
Because newer is
why
better,
is
I
the
guess. Go with the newer game. You know, the one that's gonna get support. Like, this is a good example. This game doesn't get supported much, aside from the
if
cosmetics. And
yeah,
maybe
that's
like the
it.
occasional
There's
little.
no they don't do shit anymore for this game. Um, I hate seeing vehicles up that I could have been killing. I can do laser painter.
A lot of armor on there.
Bunch of vehicles. Yep.
Cool, but it's done at 360. Here you go. Wondering when that was gonna happen.
Looking for a new ride.
Wow,
Done.
bullshit.
You're still getting hit?
Thanks on the left.
Yeah, he can easily kill us though if he has a machine loader. What is that over there?
Can't seem to turn. What? Is he? Oh. There he is. Tank. Another tank. Tank below.
Yeah, I see it. I can't target him at this angle though. He got out.
He's running. There he is. What's shooting at us? And he's. Oh.
There is a jet
Jet.
roaming. Somebody's getting tired of us. Wants to jet.
I took off the skies.
Oh, is that what he's doing? I can't shoot you down, so I'll just ram into you. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, that's not. Nice one. But we're still only one health
Get
though.
us.
Like, he just has to breathe on us and that's it. Oh. Enemy tank? Oh, friendly.
Patches, patches.
Enemy helicopter spotted in your area. Hostile helicopter
I'm going for the
identified.
Apache first. But we're about to get harassed by the,
Yeah. Just barely missed him.
we're about to get hit. It's the jet.
I can't see. I don't know what's going on.
It's the jet.
Yeah, well, we are being a menace.
Alright, jet's down.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Yeah, my
Alright,
view
there's
is
this
a
vehicle
little.
here. That's being annoying.
Oh, that's a. It's an anti-air vehicle.
Okay, we can clear it, right?
It can. It has fast-firing cannons, like faster than the Wildcat. It's super fast. I can't shoot from this
Can you
angle.
target?
Not from this angle. I can't aim directly down.
Down angle?
Yeah. This is fine. I got a hit there, but it's not a clean
Yeah.
blow, and this is not a 360. Yeah, he just has to rotate his turret, he'll tear us into pieces, and he has missiles too.
It's fine. Where is it? There it is. I think we took command of the skies again.
Hopefully.
I don't see any friendlies though. Your friendly jets are up. We gotta clear the rooftops. You see that gunfire?
No, not from this angle.
Oh, right. Alright, you ready? There's a whole bunch of them on the building.
Alright, I see one. Ran in the elevator.
Right there on the other one, on the other building.
Look,
The guy right there.
enemy soldier spotted.
There's a dude in there.
Yeah, I just saw him. He went down the stairs.
That area looks like trouble.
Right there, right there, right there. On the build, on the roof.
Oh,
Oh shit, they got you. Nice, there's one more. Yep,
there's
right
two
there.
more.
Just
See 'em.
reloading.
I don't like that area one bit. Careful, fellas.
Yeah, he should have thought about that. Whoa.
Oh, the princess is here.
Sleeping
Queen
Beauty.
has risen from its nap.
One below, one below.
Snipe, yep.
Two.
He's trying to snipe us.
Were you quite done?
Bull.
This guy.
Bull. Need
Yeah.
ISO. Bull.
Oh, it's a one-hit kill. I didn't know that.
Well, we were kind of weak already.
Oh,
Because
really?
apparently the fucking other rocket hit us. Even though I flared up.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Bless you.
You like the guided missiles or the TV missiles?
The guided missiles. TV missiles annoying to use. What difference is between the... So what's the difference between the Warthog and the Hornet? Oh, he secret rudder balls could have missiles. Oh.
Spotting radius and time, and reduces weapon lock-on radius and increases lock-on time.
What is?
Stealth mode.
Do you have that for the helicopter?
Yeah. Does that sound bad? That sounds bad to me.
No, that makes it hard for you to get locked on, right?
And increases lock-on time. And reduces weapon lock radius and
I think
increases
our
lock-on
lock on time, there's no way it does that to us. That doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know. Laser painter is good if there's like, other players that can take advantage of that, I guess. Which one do you have?
I can put maintenance. I have stealth. I'll put maintenance. Oh, they took the chopper.
Yeah, no.
No, that's the
That's the other.
transport chopper.
Yeah.
What the heck?
See what we could do with this. See, got pair dropping.
On the rooftop.
There's two more left.
I'm just gonna let him do the fucking small gay shit again. There's an enemy vehicle above us. He's coming in right now. He's trying to crash into us again.
Wow. I'm curious as to why they keep spawning up there. What's going on up there?
See him?
Yeah, I can't really do much with this one though.
Marking this area is dangerous. Be alert.
That's what I did. Boom. Maricón.
From the roof.
Isn't that the anti-air vehicle?
Oh, is it? I can't tell. I thought it was from the roof.
I think so.
Whoa, he got shot down or he crashed or something.
That's the one I killed.
Oh, okay.
Are you
There's
ready?
a helo around us.
Oh, yep. Thank you. I think he's climbing. Yep, he's climbing.
There. Enemy helicopter spotted.
He has a gunner. Oh my gosh.
Wow. How did that kill us?
Oh my
He
gosh.
blows up and then the flame just fucking... Alright, we're getting picked, so the stealth is better. That thing was way too far for, and it wasn't doing that before, so... I'm just testing it out, I guess, at this point.
Yeah.
Of course. Of course.
How was your nap, Raph? Let me guess, you didn't really
Yeah.
take a nap.
Like, sort of.
Yeah, you didn't take a nap.
No,
What
I
he did
dozed
was...
I dozed
like he-
off, but woke right back up, if you must know.
I actually napped
He
myself.
was yanking his
Yeah, is that what it was?
Penis. I don't want to say the other word because God forbid.
Sherlock
I don't want to
has
get banned by
something
you.
listed. I don't know. Say that word.
No, no, no. I
Live your best life, King.
I can't. I can't. Don't do this to me. Pow, 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 pow.
That's just shooting noises, right?
Can I get a?
What is it?
So why are they in those two towers? Oh, never mind. There's a bunch on C2.
Well, they're taking the tower so they can go up to the top and snipe.
Where that? Well, they're taking everything right now.
Because we're not there.
Well, we keep getting hit like the silliest ways possible. Like the
Yeah,
first
he
time
crashed
around.
his dead vehicle on us. Like,
Yeah, well, not just that one, but the other one was the jet, our jet, slamming into us. Like, come on.
This is stupid.
Hey, here he has it.
All right, let's clean up the rooftops. I'll let you do that. I seem to be messing you up more than I can.
Yeah, you just have to put your nose a little higher. I don't see anything here.
Oh my god, seriously?
I don't see anybody up
Yeah, I
there.
don't see anything here.
All right, what's next?
C2, we could give air cover to C2.
Any vehicles?
Oh,
Yeah,
there's
there's
somebody
a
here.
vehicle down
There's
below.
people here. There's people
Enemy
here.
soldier ID.
See that? Sniper, no sniping.
Vehicle, air vehicle, air vehicle.
Hold on.
There.
I think that's a Hind, is it?
Spotted.
No, the Havoc.
I don't know, but he's about
Oh
to
my
die. I don't
gosh.
know why he wasn't flaring up.
What happened? What'd you two guys crash?
I don't know.
No, I'm at ref.
That's a hostile soldier.
Wait, what?
You guys crashed?
Dude, I thought it was Don piloting that. No. Yeah, we crashed. It was
On
retarded.
the radar, on the radar.
Enemy vehicle taken out.
Yeah, no, dude was retarded.
Dude, imagine going in through this tunnel. Look at it. How? Jesus.
So it does help, it seems.
Yep. Rando.
And the thing is, I can't reload, so I literally have to expend all my
Yeah, I do too.
rockets.
Me too. That's what I just did just there, actually.
I'm fully loaded.
Radio
Is somebody
beacon.
there?
There's a radio beacon. I didn't get it.
Oh, you want me to go?
No,
Oh,
it's fine.
vehicle. Air vehicle.
What? You see that? That's so cool. You saw what he did there?
Yeah, he looks gay.
Gonna hate. I see. He seems like a good pilot, though. Aw, he jumped.
There's a guy paratrooping. Enemy. See him?
Yeah. No, I do.
That's a hostile soldier.
I can't aim that far down either, just so you know. Don't know how I did that, but I did it. It's a snipper back in there.
Yeah. Take care of him in just a second. There's a jet coming.
Heads up, hostile birds are in the
Haha, still hit you.
Got some damage too.
Where's he at?
Behind.
You're dead.
Wow.
Thanks for flashing.
What'd you got?
No way.
You see that laser painter thingy on the road by the bridge? Oh, they're shooting at us right here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't see anything else.
That vehicle, there's a vehicle right there.
Oh, it does have a laser painter. Swinging around, swinging around. Oh, I see what
Hang
you're
on,
doing. I
hang
see
on,
what you're
hang on.
doing. Okay, I
I'm
see what you're doing.
reloading.
Wow, this thing locks on so quickly. Oh crap.
Sorry.
Dude, this thing is brutal. It reloads so quickly.
There he is. There's another one.
Yeah, I
Fuck.
see him. I can't
You
aim that low.
Look. I know, but I'm doing it on purpose.
Smart.
We'll get him in a second.
No, that's fine. Gotta reload too.
He's trying. He's trying.
I
He's right there.
mean, vehicle, the helicopter is like, dude, it's so brutal. I got hit. I got hit by a sniper.
He's on A2, A2 or A1, whatever. Yeah, A2.
That guy?
No. He's literally at the A2 objective. He's been trying to snipe us.
Oh,
I don't know where on A2 he is, but he's...
no hit markers. I see him. He's over here.
This looks like a no-go zone. Be careful.
Helo, helo.
Woo! Oh, what happened?
He pushed us. He pushed us down
Oh, okay.
with the whatever he was, his buddy that was shooting.
Yeah.
It pushed the chopper down. I was like, wait, what the? And I now looked because I was in first person, and when I put in third person, I saw like the chopper going down. I was like, oh, perfect.
Somebody got tired of us. Yeah, the helicopter is super brutal. And honestly, they added the Stinger and the other anti-air missile thing to this. I don't exactly remember it being in Battlefield 3. Maybe it was, but I just don't. A tuck. That's funny.
Excellent job, Marines. We're controlling the battle space. Well done.
Oh, we lost C2 again.
Yeah, they're all on the rooftops.
Enemy controls Sector Charlie.
They got 2 air vehicles
We
up.
have to secure those sectors.
We don't.
to
We only
prevent
have that
enemy attack.
helicopter.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
because nobody's using
One
that.
is on our spawn.
Ugh.
You see that he's going around the building?
Yeah. Waiting, I
I
guess.
think he's gonna try to spawn trap.
Seems
Oh,
like
no,
it.
he's moving.
But he's probably giving air cover to Charlie sector. As long as we
He's
keep getting,
moving.
as long as we keep getting jets up, I mean,
The enemy is down to their last
dude, there's
reserve.
17 engineers on our team. Well, 15 that one. Wow.
Enemy chopper just jumped off because the jet was harassing him. But there's still an enemy jet up.
I see him.
There he is.
Heads
He's
up,
being chased by the
hostiles are in
A-10.
the air.
Yeah. There, he's dead.
Is he?
Alright, let's clean up the roof. Oh, enemy chopper.
There. Enemy helicopter spotted.
That thing looks sexy though. I'm not hitting him.
Okay, he's about to die now.
Roger that. Let's get some air cover to Charlie sector.
Yeah,
Because
we
we
gotta
could
clean up
still
the
kind of
rooftops.
lose.
Yep, rooftop. There's an NG.
I don't see
Oh,
him.
what a funny.
Yeah, there he
He's
is.
by the sign zone. Yeah.
He jumped. It's a jet
There's an enemy
swarming.
jet.
Yep.
Wow, he shot me.
I see him.
Like he shot me.
Yeah, he's right here.
Marking this area as dangerous. Be alert.
He probably went down. He went down. Enemy jet.
And we won.
The enemy's in full retreat. Today, victory is ours.
Very nice.
Yeah, that chopper's